Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. There is nothing better than entering a clean and fragrant bathroom, is there? And do you know what's better? You can make your bathroom smell good simply and effortlessly. Do you want to know how? That's what you will learn in today's video. Even if it is not your favorite spot of your house, having a clean and fragrant bathroom is a synonym of care. And if there are two rooms that we always worry about keeping clean and organized, they are the kitchen and the bathroom, right? Today, there are many different things on the market promising to keep your bathroom smelling good. From air fresheners to scented paper sheets, these products are very easy to find in supermarkets. But in today's video, you will learn how to use baby oil to make your bathroom smell good. Are you enjoying this video? Then what about giving it a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends? To do it, you will need 1 toilet paper roll, baby oil or any essential oil. This will be the smell of your bathroom for many days, so choose the one you like the most. Directions. It is simple. Whenever you change your toilet paper roll, just put some drops of the oil you choose inside the roll. You don't need much, just 3 to 5 drops are more than enough. Put the roll in the holder and it's done. Whenever someone uses the paper, the motion will release the smell through the air. Easy, isn't it? Close the door to help keep the smell in. Besides that, to keep your bathroom always smelling good, you can clean the trash whenever necessary to avoid smells. Regularly clean the place at least once a week. Regularly wash or change the sanitary brush to avoid smells and to keep the cleaning efficient. See, these tricks, even though simple, help a lot to keep your bathroom clean. Following these tips, your bathroom will always be clean and smelling good. Do you know any tricks to keep the bathroom smelling good? Share it in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.